Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the Roblox playerbeta.exe application error. I will show you guys the 4 effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. So guys, the first solution is go to the Windows setup with the CMD, right click on that and run as administrator. So now guys, from here you have to simply type this command or these two commands I also give you in the description box, so you can easily copy and paste this command. First command is the SFC scan. Now once you just run this command, now it will scan for all the corrupted files or any missing files in your Windows, and when this verification process was completed to 100%, you have to just simply restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is fixed. And if your problem is not fixed, then you can just go to the Windows set, type it the CMD again and run as administrator. So guys, once it was open here, you just need to run the second command you are seeing. So you have to just copy this command. I also give you in the description box. Just paste it and hit the enter. Now it is checking for the image version or it is restoring the health of the image. Now it will take some time, maybe the 20 minutes. So you have to just simply wait for it until this was complete, and then you have to simply restart your PC. So guys, after the restart, just see your problem is fixed or not, and if you are still getting the error, then you can right click on the Roblox player and simply click on the open file location. So guys, from here you will see the Roblox player beta, which is the Roblox launcher. So right click on that, simply go to its properties, go to the compatibility and check this box of the compatibility mode and choose at the Windows 8 and disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. Then apply the settings and restart your Roblox, see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed, then you can open up the Roblox website, open up the any game, click on the play option and just download the Roblox installer onto your PC. So guys, once you download it, you can go to the Windows setup with the add or remove programs and just open it. Now guys, from here you have to simply search for the Roblox, and if there is any instancing show here, you have to just simply uninstall it from your PC. Then you can go to the Windows setup with the percentage local app data percentage, then this folder will show on the top. So you have to just simply open up this folder. Here you have to just simply search for the Roblox folder you are seeing. So you just need to simply delete this folder from your PC. After you delete it, you will just install the Roblox installer and just download it and install it into your PC, and your problem is definitely fixed after this solution. And guys, if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is all motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.